All right, mates, welcome back. Crypto Lover Trading Group, 1 p.m. on Monday. Hope everybody is doing well. We're doing a really quick update here on correlation. And my only question is, are you trading the correlated method? If you are not trading the correlated method that we talk about in our group, my only question for you is why? This last weekend proved without a doubt why correlated trading works. Social proof. Okay, these are the things that you need to follow when you are going to copy trade or you are going to commit um, to paying for whatever you're paying for, consults or whatever it is from social media gurus and all the other schmucks like me on freaking YouTube. Okay. If you're paying money for that stuff, you need social proof, right? That's what you need, right? It's like in blockchain in terms of developing and what everyone and what we talk about is proof of work, right? What what is that person going to deliver you in terms of knowledge, in terms of information that's going to make you a better trader? Not macro stuff like, oh, Bitcoin's going higher, oh, whatever. But you get about from 70% of all the YouTube channels out there. Okay, that's a more of a painting of a broad stroke on what's happening in crypto. Okay, but not specifically on how certain altcoins are correlated with Bitcoin and with Ethereum and certain events that occur within the cryptoverse, okay, trigger events. Now, some may call these anomalies, and that's okay. That's fine. Halvings only happen in Bitcoin once every 4 years. You can call that an anomaly, but if it happens every 4 years via the white paper, if supply of tokens or coins are determined, okay, then you understand that what you're looking at is a history of things to happen in the future to occur. And what happens when those assets go through those events, for example, the Ethereum London forking. The same is going to happen with the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade that we witnessed today. These are the drivers to Ethereum to 5,000 that people are not talking about today. But Ethereum is only one part of the story. What about the rest of DeFi? What did we see here looking at correlated trading? Okay, that we talk about in our community and I talk about probably, you know, to the extent where some people are just like tired of me talking about it, which is fine. But if you're making money, if you're generating positive returns, if you're growing your crypto and you find a method that is actually doing that with you for you time and time again, like we saw this weekend, Ethereum went from about 2,200 in the last week to up 1,000 points. Okay, and you can kind of see here what we're talking about with correlated trades here. Obviously, this is Bitcoin, and so Bitcoin is still the dominant player, the dominant move that's gonna move the needle in terms of the media, in terms of social media, in terms of how we perceive the cryptoverse. Regardless of any altcoins are going higher, if Bitcoin is going down, that's the narrative. Okay, but if you could see here, if you know what's going to happen with Bitcoin or Ethereum, Ethereum is orange. Look at these other altcoins. Again, we talk about this all the time. Look how correlated they are. Okay? And you have to find those coins that are correlated with the asset that you know best. You don't have to know Ethereum Classic. You don't have to know Bitcoin Cash, right? Like fundamentally be an expert on Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum Classic, which are forks, okay? Or Bitcoin Gold is another one that I'm starting to explore here this week because it's so depressed in value at around $50, I think, compared to Bitcoin Cash today, $600. Bitcoin, 34,000, 33,000, right? Like, okay, like why is it that seems like a depressed asset to me? I mean, relative to its other forks, its siblings, so to speak, right? And Bitcoin Silver, they got a whole bunch of other stuff you can look at with all these forks, and at some point, they're still all tied to Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum Classic, people have kind of like thought it's been dead now. It's moved from 48 to over to like right around $60. You can see here, it's moved fundamentally with Ethereum. It's making the same move, and that's where you capture the increased P&L gain on correlated trading.